Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a restaurant website on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now we're going to click on create a new site. And after that, this will take you to this page right here. As you can see guys, you have right here two options. You can either set up your site using the AI chat, or you can set it up without a chat. So I'm going to set it up with a chat. So this is basically gonna just make it a lot easier to set up your site. So right now we're going to answer this question. As you can see guys, first tell me what your site is all about. So go ahead and type restaurant. I'm going to type restaurant website and then send the message. And after that, it will answer me, as you can see guys right here. Right now, you need to type the name of your restaurant. So for example, I'm gonna name it Delicious Food and then send the message. And right now, it will ask us for more details about the restaurant. So right now, I'm going to just end the chat and continue. And then as you can see guys, right now it's generating our site. So you just need to wait for your dashboard to load. And then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to design your site. Go ahead and click on design site. And then as you can see, guys, you can either generate the design with AI or customize the template. So I'm going to pick a random template from here. As you can see, guys, we have a lot of choices right here. So I'm going to choose this one, for example. Click on edit. And then this will take us to the editor page. This is how it would look like. So right here, as you can see, guys, right here in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. And once you're done, you can go here to the top, save your site, and you can also publish it to go live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.